Hello friends, welcome to this course on Abacus. In our first analysis, we were solving a beam problem. So till now, we had submitted the job and the job is completed. In this lecture, we will understand how to view the result and some more options to find out the stresses and deformations. So after we submit the job, we will see the option like this. The job is completed, it is showing from here. And now we need to visualize the results. Now to visualize the result, we need to go to the job manager. We need to make sure that job is completed from here and then go to this module of job. Okay, job module, and click on this option of job manager. And here we will see the option that is called result. So go to result option and now we are in the visualization module. So here we can see visualization. So first thing we need to select the type of result we want to see. Here we can see the result. So it is showing primary, deformed and symbol. So I am selecting primary. After that it is showing the type of output we want. So S means stress, U is the displacement. Okay, RF like reaction force, concentrated force like this. So I am interested in finding out value of stresses and deformation. So select stresses and the type of stress, von Mises stress, principal stress, etc. So I am selecting von Mises stress. Okay. So right now we can see this is the undeformed shape. So here we can see plot undeformed shape is highlighting. And now I am going to select plot contour on deformed shape. Just click on this and now it is going to show the stresses. So the value of stresses, that is maximum value of stress, turned out to be 1000. So 1000 is 1000 megapascal. And then if we want to see how this beam is going to expand, we can view the animation of this simulation. Below we can find the option of animate scale factor. So click on this option. And now it is going to show the animation, how this beam is going to expand. Okay, we are going to apply this force in the right direction. So this beam is going to stretch like this. I am selecting animate harmonic option. Okay, now it is showing step by step. We can also go to the settings from here, animation option, and we can select the frame rate like slow and fast. Right now I am taking this as a medium. Then we can select play once, loop, etc. Okay, and then click OK. Now if you want to see the deformation, so go to this option of U and click on undeformed shape and once again deform shape. So now the value of deformation we can see it is 2.38. So again this value matches the value we have calculated using the analytical option. So these are the result we have find out using the mathematical calculation, value of stresses and deflection. So these values matches with the analytical result. It means our analysis is correct. Once again I go to Abacus. So if you want to find out where this result file has been saved, so right now I go to this file option and go to this set work directory. Click on this. So right now my default directory is C and temp file. So all the input file and this result file has been saved into this folder. So let's go to this folder. I go to C and go to temp. And now we can see the job we have created, that is job beam. So multiple files has been created into this folder. Now we need to focus on two files. The first file is INP file. Now that is jobbeam.inp file. That is the input file. So this file we have created, like we have applied the load boundary condition, created the mesh, everything is going to saved into this file, into this INP file. So that is input file. And for this input file we have a output file. So in Abacus the output file format is called ODB file. So the format of this file is ODB file, job beam. Okay, now let's say I want to open this file. I will also share all these files with you. So I go to a new part file, click on this new and click on no. So if you want to see the result of the file we have created. So I go to, now first of all I'm going to open the input file. So go to file and click on import and go to part. Browse the location and in the type of file I'm going to select Abaqus input file, that is INP file. So that is the file job.beam and click OK. So once again I go to part. Okay, so go to part, double click on this, and now we have our part file. So everything you can find into this part file. Now if you want to see the result once again, I go to a new file, so click on new, click no. Now I want to import the ODB file, that is output file for this job. So go to file and go to open. Now in the type of file I am select output database, that is ODB file, and now I am going to select job beam file and click OK. So now this is the result file. So you can open this file whenever you want.